CapperPacks is overseas sales brand to Shantou Penghui Machinery Company Limited. We're specialized in planning, developing and manufacturing machines and complete lines for the fields of process, filling and packaging technology. The innovative R&D workforce, advanced manufacturing technology, and rich practical experience enable CapperPacks to offer each customer with one-stop customized solution from program design, manufacturing, installation, technical training to life cycle service.